Okay, so any of you that follow along probably worked out that I work for Dell. And I guess one of the lucky things about working from Dell is that I get access to some quite cool equipment, whether that be servers, storage, networking, but also the devices that they give us to work with when we're doing our jobs day to day. So something very different today. We're just going to have a look at some Dell laptops, specifically the Dell laptops that I've been working with. So I guess I'm quite lucky. The little XPS 2-in-1. This one here in particular, I've put this D brand blue carbon skin on it. Also the D brand fake leather skin on the bottom. But this device, fantastic, like thin, light. Also in our pre-COVID world, this 2-in-1 foldable thing was great when we're doing customer work, being able to, present to a customer and have that sort of view with them. I probably don't use the tablet mode of it that much, but that folding and flipping for customers, I found really useful. Then I was really lucky. I actually got upgraded to this fantastic piece of kit, the Latitude 7400 2-in-1. Again, beautiful bit of kit and that great folding function that I really like. And both of them great. Like, I think the XPS here, like thin, light, plenty of people have done videos on these things before. Probably the CPU on the version that we were given, probably a little bit light. This thing, even though it's the i5, man, this 7400, I love this thing. It's fantastic. But as cool as these laptops are, they're great for office productivity stuff. But as I've been doing more and more content creation, they're not really cutting the mustard, particularly when it comes to video editing. I'm using DaVinci Resolve, and rendering the videos is just killing me. So I've splashed out and I've purchased something for myself. And so today we're going to do an unboxing out of this bad boy here, the new Dell XPS 17. So this is actually the first time I've bought myself like a serious pucker new laptop in, I don't know, I can't remember the last time I bought one. And probably quite frankly, the last time I did buy myself one, it probably wasn't a PC. So let's stop mucking around and let's get into this thing. I gotta say, the packaging is pretty groovy. Like, not too bad. It is weighty in this box. So it actually got delivered, because I had this delivered to me at home. We're still, I'm in Melbourne, we're still in COVID lockdown conditions actually at the moment. So this is how it arrives. It actually has another brown delivery box around it, but this is the unveiling. So all nice magnetic catches there. Oh, it is pretty cool, right? And what you probably can't see, hang on, if I move this box here, it's even got the nice XPS logo. It's pretty nice. Right, let's see if we can lift this bad boy out. Wow, it's big. It's pretty weighty. I'll give it that. It's certainly not XPS 13 light. Let's see if we can gently pop this wrap off. I'm really looking forward to this because I think this will make a huge difference to the content creation. So the spec of this one that I've ordered here is sort of the top line spec that we're able to get our hands on in Australia. So this is i7 8-core, but really importantly for me, it's got that decent GPU in it, the NVIDIA RTX 2060 terabyte SSD and 32 gigs of RAM as well. you gotta say, these machined alloy chassis are really nice, although I have to admit I've already ordered a D-brand skin to go on it to sort of protect it, so at some point I might actually post a picture of that. I've got this with the 4K screen in it. Oh man, I wish you guys could really sort of appreciate how nice this thing is. I know people, there's other unboxings around. I am interested in this touchpad thing. I've seen the reviews where people have commented on some wobbliness there. Luckily, this feels beautiful and firm. And importantly, for me, really smooth as well. I think it's one thing Apple have done really well on their MacBooks is their trackpads, but this is fantastic. And actually that 7400, whilst the trackpad's not as big, it does have a really nice trackpad. Right, let's get this box out of the way and I'll see what else is in here. Cover, so we've just got all standard stuff. Australian power cord, Australia, New Zealand. Get a little dongle, so USB 4, so the device has 4 USB-C connectors. I said USB 4, didn't I? So USB-C connector goes to USB type A and also gives me an HDMI output. I like this. So 100% recycled plastics and 25% from ocean-bound sources. Man, and again, I know I work for Dell, but I think it's great that we actually make an effort to try and reduce the environmental impact of these products. It's just those little touches, I think, just make a difference. The power brick, the 130 watt one, I've seen a lot of comments online about that and around how USB-C can only deliver 100 watts. It's interesting, I've actually seen some internal Docker, and whilst it's rated at 130 watts, it delivers 90 watts to the laptop. So my understanding is we haven't done anything special to deliver anything more than what USB Type-C is able to do right now today. And some manuals. Yep, I don't care too much about that stuff. Let's go back to this laptop. This is a nice box though. Like, just as a laptop box, it's pretty sweet. Anyway, that's not what you pay your money for. This is. So, as you can see, I guess, compared to the Latitude 7400 here, you know, it is a serious chunk bigger, but it's a 17 inch. So, it's to be expected really, isn't it? Again, against the little, the 2-in-1, or if it's easier, tucked in the corner. I mean, there's no doubt about it. But the amount of horsepower that it's packing is just insane. Just wicked. Man. So, I'm going to spend some time, fire this bad boy up, get Windows up and running on it, and then for me, get DaVinci on it and see just how good it is at running DaVinci and doing SOAP editing. So I think all my future videos, including this one, hopefully, that you're watching right now, will be edited and rendered off this laptop. And that was it. I'm not going to spend ages going across it. There's just heaps of reviews out there on it. I just want to do a quick little unboxing thing. I've also got this, I bought a new monitor as well, so I fully lashed out. I'm not going to do an unboxing on the monitor because I bought the 43-inch 4K beast. So I'll probably get some images of that once I've actually managed to get it out of the box somehow and set up on my desk, and I'll be using that monitor with this, quite frankly, stunning laptop. Cool, thanks for watching.